I'm going to make chicken korma now. I'm getting really hungry and ready for my lunch. So I didn't clean the bowl between blending the spices for the korma spices. It's not necessary, so we'll just start cooking. It's such a wonderful color. So I have some ghee here that I made myself, and I'll show you in a minute how I keep it in the fridge. And it's really, it's like, or better than clarified butter, and it cooks beautifully, and it lasts in the fridge for at least 6 months. So that's how I store it. So there's 30 grams of that, 2 dried bay leaves, and 2 whole cloves, and the onion, 125 grams of that, and some ginger. So I've put the garlic and the chili together. I know they're all going in together, so I'll just do that because I don't feel like touching the chili again. I made a mistake and touched my eye earlier on, which is not much fun. There's the garlic and the roasted cashews. Careful not to eat too many of them before you pop them in. And the chili, as I mentioned, I've used half a chili because I don't like it too hot. My husband loves it hot, but he has to, poor thing, has to bear with me. I've got the salt and the turmeric together in the same bowl because I know they're going to go together. And then we're going to put the splash guard on, which prevents any splashing. It's a lovely safety feature as well. So there it's on, and the arms come over. So it's going to cook now for 5 minutes at the high heat.
Guarantee someone, probably Stacey, will have ordered a korma. Am I wrong? Mick, am I wrong?
No, she has actually.
Exactly, right? And in my book, a korma is pointless. It's futile. I won't.
Beautiful smell. So it tells me to scrape down the sides. Doesn't actually need a scrape. So we're going to add the tomato paste. Again, homemade tomato paste. And it's really yummy. And the korma spice that I made earlier on. So 20, that was the thing I made in the previous video. So 20 grams of that.
And you're weighing this all on the machine?
Yes, yes. And it goes up in 1 gram increments. So it's really accurate, especially if you want to bake accurately or do sugar work, things like that. Next, and so now it says again, putting some of the measuring cup. And next, it's going to heat it for 2 minutes now at speed 2. So just scrape down the sides, not much scraping needed. And we're now going to add some 150 grams of pouring cream. And 60 grams of homemade yogurt, and it's homemade as well. As you'd be, I can't make cream myself, but I can make yogurt, which I will demonstrate one of these days as well. And we'll insert a cup, and it's going to blend it for 1 minute. And look at that wonderful creamy sauce. Oh. I've got to have a little taste. I can do this because I'm not doing a live demonstration, but this is for us. So 400 grams of cut chicken thighs. And now it's going to cook for 12 minutes at speed 1. It's now cooked, and I'm going to sink my teeth into that. And it says to add a teaspoon of garam masala, which I have previously made as well. So just a little bit, and then we'll just stir it in. It looks very similar to the korma spice, but they're different spices in there. Actually, I've forgotten what's in them. And then we'll just stir it in, and then we're ready to serve. And I have made some rice, which I have sitting in the thermos. I should sprinkle some coriander on it, but unfortunately that's the only herb I don't have. I have some parsley or anything else, but I'm sure that would be a sacrilege to put parsley on it. And so I'm going to leave it out because I don't want to spoil it for anybody who is an aficionado on curries. And I have boiled some rice in the Thermomix as well, and we'll be serving it with that. So we can't wait for our lunch. So, thank you very much for joining me.